Good morning, children. You are most welcome to the online classes of Science Even Public School, Shivaji Nagar, Digha, Patna 11. Today we are going to study English grammar and the topic is active and passive voice. This class is for 8, A, B and C. So we have already studied about active and passive voice in our offline class, but today we are going to just study a little more on the same topic. So we all know that a transitive verb has two voices, the active and the passive. Now I have given you two sentences here. So let us see these two sentences. The hunter shot the lion, and the second sentence says the lion was shot by the hunter. Both these sentences have the same meaning, but the structure of the sentence differs. You can see that in the first sentence, the hunter is the subject and it is also the doer of the action shot. While in the second sentence, the lion is the subject, but it is the receiver or sufferer of the action done by the object, which is here the hunter. So we can say that a verb is said to be in the active voice when the person or thing denoted by the subject acts or is active. So the verb shot is active. Now you can see that in sentence 1, the hunter is the doer of the action shot, while in the second sentence, the hunter is the object and it is the doer of the action. So this is the difference between active and passive voice. So as we can see the definition that a verb is said to be in the active voice when the person or thing denoted by the subject acts or is active. So we can say that a person or thing when acts, or the subject which is the doer of the action, in that case the verb shot will be in the active voice. Whereas in the case of passive voice, a verb is said to be in the passive voice when the person or thing denoted by the subject does not act but suffers the action done by something or by someone. So the verb was shot is passive. You can see this in the second example. Here the lion is not the doer of the action. It is subject, but actually it is the sufferer or receiver of the action done by the doer, the hunter. So in this case, was shot is passive voice. Now we know that an intransitive is not used in the passive voice. An intransitive verb cannot be used in passive voice, but when a cognate object is supplied in the active voice, the same intransitive verb can be used in the passive form. So I have given you one example here. In the active voice, he has fought a good fight. Now here, fight is a cognate object. Fight is a cognate object. Cognate object is a noun or a thing that has got some relation with the verb. So from fought you can make fight, or from fight you can make fought. So fight is here a cognate object, and in this way we can have an object for the intransitive verb fought. So its passive will be a good fight has been fought by him. I hope you have understood this topic, and for further classes we will see tomorrow, and I will explain you some more examples on the same topic. Thank you and have a good day.